The song, This Is Me, it really does empower people to just be themselves.
It's a reminder of how different each of us really are, and we were meant to be.
At the end of the day, everyone's an oddity. The things that make you different, they're the things you should celebrate.
This is me.
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 It's been incredible making The Greatest Showman, and we have amazing songs in this film. This Is Me is really our anthem. Choreographer Ashley Wallen and his associate Jenny, my muse, are about to teach you the dance steps to This Is Me, so you can create your own versions. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
As a dancer, a performer, an artist, you get to let go and express yourself. Whatever you're feeling, it's going to resonate powerfully if you bring it with everything you've got. For her, it was a march forward. She had to be focused, straight down, and just walk and march and be the leader of these guys. The whole song is that. It's a moment where you get to let go, leaving everything out in the ring. Okay, so let's start the top of when we enter into the ring. So you're gonna start with the head down, and you're gonna come up. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8, up. And we sing the line, This Is Me. You're gonna take the right arm to go up and go push, push, push. That's it. So you wanna do 3 really big circles and as much energy as you can to go punch, 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 to cross jump, and open, and then big dip to the floor with your hips and groove up. So you come up with the head and you do, and boom, this is me. Punch, 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 cross, jump, down, up. This is me. And then we go into our section where we all spread out. Kiala stays in the middle, and everyone goes to every kind of inch of the ring. We use the whole space to run forward. Go and run, 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 run. And then you're gonna kick the dust and hit the floor, and you go kick, jump. So it's the right leg, you're here, and then you're gonna run onto the right leg and down nice and low and surge forward and out to go run, 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 run. Kick, jump. And then we're into our marching step that we do all in sync. Letty starts this step to kind of bring everyone together. So she starts with the right leg and you're dragging on the floor and you're doing marching onto the beat, drum, and that's it. So you're wiping the floor with your leg and you brush the dust to go wipe and double, double, and then you start with the left and you go left and right and. So marching, we go and marching onto the beat, drum, and left, right, stop. That's it. So putting it tempo, you want to go right down and go 6, 7, 8, and I'm marching onto the beat, drum, and wipe, wipe, stop. Great. Then we start with the left, and you're going to go left, right, turn to the left, right, left, turn to the right. But this is your chance to kind of do
any style, anything you want.
And now, this is where we do 2 kicks. You do with the right leg and you brush the floor to go and brush, brush, slam. So that step is a big hit to the floor and you present however you want with your arms out, or they could be out here, they could be up, whatever you want to do, but it's basically a big hit to the floor and you say, "This is me." Then we go into the section where Letty's in the middle and we sing, "Whoa, oh, oh, oh."
Think of that pulse again.
Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Go.
So everyone comes in and then she sends us out. So it's whatever you like to be free, singing as loud as you can, and you do whoa, oh, oh, oh. You jump and you go jump, jump, kick, jump, jump, kick, and then you repeat it. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Jump, jump, huh, jump, jump, huh. Then again, you've got 2 moves, whatever you want to do, to go, oh, whoa, oh, whoa. So it's really about you performing out to the audience any way you like. It could be to each other, it could be out here, and then we jump back into sync. Everyone does all together. You jump to the right and you go jump, jump, open up, hit the floor this way with your foot, and then brush the floor like you're brushing, could be dirt, dust, whatever, hit the floor to go brush. So you do jump in sync together, you go jump, jump, open, brush the floor. Next step, nice and easy. It's kind of like a marching step that you can do, interpret your own way. You could do big arms, you could just march and groove and just try to put your own little groove stamp onto it. And you're gonna start on the right leg and it goes right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So it's quite an easy step.
And if you want it even easier, you can just do right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Just a little simpler.
Great,
if
so
you need
there's
it.
2 versions that you can do. So we'll try on the right, you're gonna do this way, right, left, right, right, left, right, and then you can start adding a bit more, making a bit bigger, and then your arms can go and make them really big and up. Should we try the last section? So let's try 2 little grooves to go and hit, snap, and hit, snap. Now that can be fun. You can look at each other when you do it and hit, snap, and hit, snap. And then we go into our big spin. When you do a prep, and then you do 2 spins, spin, big jump in the air, or if we're not doing the slow-mo, you could just be on the spot and do a really slow moment, whatever you want to do. So take your time, big position, whatever character you want to be or whatever you want to do. It could be nice and simple, or you could just stand there and just do arms up.
Take mine, it feels nice.
Pick someone up. You could do whatever you like. Should we try it from the top? You're gonna have a go. So you go and head comes up, boom, this is me.
Dancing, it's a celebration. You just push and push and push, and then get out there and kind of jump around and have fun.
This Is Me is all about celebrating what you have to offer. There's no wrong step.
Because it's all about bringing your imagination to life.
Stick with it and express it.
We've had a great time teaching you the steps, and we hope you love the song just as much as we do.
And we can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Sing still.